The first step for creating Barbie nail design. We need to remove all gel products and all design from the nail plate. My first choice in my work, guys, the barrel gel bit from Russian manufacturers. This one has big toothing and it was made from highest quality steel. It will never be blunted until couple of clients like Chinese drill bits. So this is my first choice, and I always recommend my friends using barrel drill bit by shapeofnail.com. So you can order this drill bit on Shape of Nail with free shipping all over the world and PayPal payment. So guys, as you can see, it removes the gel like a butter and never burns the nail plate like other drill bits which have smaller toothing. So this is the first choice of my work for creating best sets, quickest work and the best results. As you can see, we have removed it very quickly, and now I'm showing you very close to see its quality and size of toothing. So let's watch the next step. The second step for creating Barbie nail design is the shaping of the nail. The correct way of shaping your nails guarantees the neat and correct shape and look of all nails. At first, guys, I always correct the length. As you can see, I have jumped from one nail to the other and correct the length of the one nail, compare it to the other nail, and quickly jump from the pinky nail to the big thumb nail on the one hand, and after I replaced hands and do the same with the other hand. And the next step, I shape the side walls. Firstly, the left side wall on each nail, and after I am coming back to the pinky of the left nail of the left hand and shaping right side wall of each nail. After that, I shape nails from the top. I flatten the surface and create the perfect surface for the base coat placing. Guys, it's very important to shape nails properly before placing the gel product, because this way it will be placed neatly and you will never have problems. The first step, guys, as I told you before in the previous video, is the shaping nails from the top. It's very important thing, and I need to repeat that thing because this is the main thing in your work. Just because if you do it not properly, you will spend a lot of time for placing the sculpting mix gel, for placing base gel products, and they will flow across the nail and your work will be spoiled. So it's necessary to shape nails and to create the tube, something like the tube. So we shape nails from the top to the left side and from the top to the right side, and we're creating the perfect rounded surface for placing the gel product. Only this way it will be easy to apply the base or the sculpting mix gel without any problems. So guys, pay maximum attention to do it as properly as you can. The fourth step is the pushing cuticles. It's very important process, because if you don't push cuticles perfectly to the limit, it's very important, guys. Push it to the limit to prepare nails for the hardware manicure, because some nail technicians forget about it and they have problems and gel is flowing into the cuticles and they have to spend a lot of time to remove it thereafter. So guys, don't forget about it. Step number 5 to create Barbie set of gel nails. We work with my favorite flame gel bit. This is not so long gel bit, this short one, but it works perfectly with the pterygia. Pterygia is the foil which spoils your work, and gel always lifting if you don't remove it to the limit, and the nail masters sometimes forget about it and they have problems with liftings. So guys, you should work with the flame gel bit with the forward speed when we work with the left side, and with the reverse speed when you work with the right side. Don't forget about it. So you can also work with this gel bit when cleaning lateral pads of the finger, as you can see on the video. And this gel bit is polyfunctional. You can use it even for removing calluses or any other things. I definitely recommend this one from the store shapeofnail.com, because only there they has the best quality. Guys, the 6th step for creating Barbie set of gel nails is, of course, working with the high quality nippers by Shape of Nail. This is of the brand Metallics. This is not so expensive, but it has highest quality, so you can easily remove cuticles and work fast, as I work on in this video, because it's not enough. It's not too sharp, and it's not too blunted. It has the medium sharpness, and this effect is the favorite for me, because it's easy to work with these nippers and it never cuts the skin. If you are professional, you appreciate this effect of the nippers, and handles of these nippers are perfect for me. So I definitely recommend guys to use this one. The 7th step for the Barbie nail design is the primering of the nail plate. I use the gel primer by the Shape of Nail, and it works like double-sided scotch tape, and it always protects from liftings, and my clients never have problems with liftings and breakings. The primer works perfectly. 8th step for creating the Barbie set of gel nails is applying the base gel. The base gel by Shape of Nail. This is the strong gel with the strong nail formula, which creates the perfect adhesion between the nail and the sculpting mix gel, and it protects even of breakings. I always use the base gel product, and so always recommend my friends use the same. I apply it quickly on all nails. On the one hand, twist this hand, wait until it's aligning, reverse the hand and place hand in the LED lamp. So it creates the perfect base, strong base coat before placing the sculpting mix gel. So you should try it and you will be happy with results. Guys, 9th step for creating the Barbie set of gel nails is applying the sculpting mix gel. The special sculpting mix gel of Dolce Nude Pearl lilac color, or the analog of this product is the sculpting mix gel of the lilac pearl. You can order it on the top of the catalog of the sculpting mix gel. So the first coat of the sculpting mix, we place product not very close to cuticles. With the layer, it's about half of millimeter. And if nails are long, you can place the layer of the millimeter. And you step 1 millimeter back from the cuticles. And the next layer will cover this margin, and will be placed on the cuticles, close the cuticles. So this is very important thing. Don't forget about it. So we cure it in 1 minute in LED lamp. The next step, guys, the 10th step, we need to apply a thin layer, the next layer of the sculpting mix gel of the lilac pearl color. We apply it with maximum thin color, such thin which would be enough for self-aligning and which will never create the bulky effect of the nail plate. So we just need to cover that hole, that margin between the cuticles and the previous layer, and you should apply it with maximum thin layer to create the finish effect. The next 11th step is working with the cone gel bit, my favorite gel bit for removing the gel from underneath of the nail plate. It also perfectly removes the old nail, and we create such elegant corner, the tip, the edge of the nail using this gel bit. And the last 12th step, guys, is only shaping the corners of nails, because we don't need to use the top coat. The sculpting mix gel of lilac pearl is already gloss. It saves your time. The gel is amazing. You can see the result. And if you like this idea, don't forget to click that like button. All products you can order on shapeofnail.com with free worldwide shipping.